Have you ever wondered what cats do when they're alone? Well, we've sent out a totally trained interviewer to ask people like you just what they think goes on in the lives of our feline friends.
Do you like cats?
Yes, I really do. I'm not sure why. I feel like we just really bond together. There's so much in common. I've always liked cats and I don't really like dogs that much, but I'm not really sure why. But I just feel like I have a lot in common with cats and we almost can speak to each other. Use the same cat box, things like that. It really works out good.
Absolutely. Who wouldn't?
Yes.
I love cats.
I do.
In my case, I had a lot of interaction with animals. I enjoyed taking care of them, and so that is basically probably was the catalyst for me to enter this field.
What do you think cats do when they're alone?
Well, sleep and poop, and run around and leave cat hair all over the place.
Plan world domination. What else?
Run around the house.
Sleep. And look for ways to get in trouble, to get into mischief. Look for rats and mice.
They're out fighting, they'll be looking for female cats, and then have a higher incidence of, predators getting them or getting hit by cars.
What is your favorite way to play with a cat?
Oh, just when we run around together and play with the catnip. Really gets me excited. Oh, I mean, it gets the cats excited, yeah. It really does, yeah. They seem to really like it.
Favorite way to play with them. String. Muffin's favorite game is string.
I'd like to think that they have parties and sleep and everything in between, honestly.
With the string, of course.
Pull his tail. Oh, no. Just gently. Tickle him. Throw balls for him.
Why do cats purr?
Because they're very content.
Because they're happy. They're contented. Somebody's making them feel good.
Because they're happy. Mostly to see me. That bond and stuff. So yeah, I think that's kind of... Do I get some on my face here?
To show contentment.
Why do cats sleep in weird places?
They like to hide and look for things.
I'm not too sure on that one, honestly. But they're different from humans, and that's what makes them better.
Because they feel good there. They like them. They'll sleep anywhere. Your cat will sleep absolutely anywhere.
Cat sleeps on me.
Yes, they'll sleep on people, under the covers, top of the covers, in the sack, in the bed, next to your head, around your neck. They'll sleep anywhere.
Because they can.
Tell me a fun cat story you have.
Well, me and Muffin will run around the house together, and she kept swatting my tail. I kept swatting her tail, and then she sniffed my butt. I was a little concerned, but all in all, it was a good day because by the end of the day, we were both laying in a box together purring. It was a lot of fun.
Let's see. Fun cat story. How about the way Muffin is always giving everyone the muffin stare, or the way she's chasing that fly around the room right now, or let's see, the way she hides in the closet to sleep, or she's always going after your aunt's little rat dogs at Christmas. She's always attacking them. See, that's her favorite game, string. See? That's it. Someday, world domination. Don't need anybody Didn't everybody love cats? Look at this. Come here. Come here, sweetie boy. Oh. Come here.
Excuse me, miss. Are you aware that you're a cat?
Of course.
Yeah, it can't be the cat and the bird. That's not fun.
Oh.
Maybe two cats. Yeah, I'm gonna go play with the kitty.
Oh, there it goes.